Hi everyone, welcome to the review channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clean this kind of floor. So wood floor from the dark spots or the dirty, using the Power Performance solvent-free elbow grease, which is for fabrics, metals and plastics as well, but it works also in wood floors. So I'm going to apply here a few good sprays and leave it for about 5-10 minutes, and you will see the difference because it really works. So here is already, I've done that before, and it's totally clean. As you can see already here that some parts are clean than others. Here, for example, here and here, it means that I don't need really to scrub a lot. So it means that the Power Performance solvent-free elbow grease, it really works, even on wood floors and also on white furniture. It was here some glue stuck, and I applied this, and after 5-10 minutes I could remove the glue, and I didn't have much problem. I didn't even scrub because I didn't want to damage the furniture, so I just used a cotton pad. Just make sure when you're using this, just open the window, because this is a very strong product, and it's when you breathe, it's you can feel it. So just make sure that it's you have fresh air where you're cleaning this. But this is really, it's even more than 10 minutes already, and you can see the difference. And like I said, you can use it on white furniture, not on black, because probably is going to damage the furniture, so just be careful. I removed the glue on the white furniture with a cotton pad, and it came very easily. Just to let you know that you can find this in the UK. You can find it in Savers and Poundland. In Tesco they don't have this. I don't know why, because this is a really good product, and they have so many stuff there, so many products there, cleaning products, that I don't know why they don't have it there. But I don't know in other countries if they have this, but I think you can also order online. So just try, because after 5-10 minutes, just you need to wait 5-10 minutes, at least 10 minutes, and then you just start cleaning, and you can see the difference. I'm going to start the scrub here. See, it's coming out really easy. See, as you can see the difference. It's very easy to come out. Just make sure you wear gloves, because this is very bad for your skin, like all the cleaning products. See, you can see the difference already. As you can see, I scrubbed all the floor and it's clean. I'm going to clean this with clean water, so you can see the difference between this side and this side. I mean, you already can see the difference. And again, I'm doing this with just one hand. See? It's all clean, it's all coming out. Well, you just there are a few spots here. You can see the dirt there, but it doesn't matter because most of it came out. So it really works, and it's really a good product. And the good thing about this product is that you can buy this for only £1 or less if they are on sale. And I haven't tried yet on fabrics. I've tried on metals, but I didn't try yet on plastics. But I tried on the wood floor, and it works, and it's really good. And I don't even need to use bleach, because I think it was going to damage even more the floor. But this one, as you can see the difference here and here, it's like it's a new floor. And I was really surprised when I tried this. And well, I advise you to buy this. It's really good. It's a very good product. So it's all dry and clean. As you can see, the difference is here. You can see this side here wasn't clean yet, and this side is cleaned. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.